Well, I'm sitting here thinking about the flaws of my past. Dust and dirt clinging, oh, how long will it last? Got wood floors in my house, need a little TLC. AOCleaning's got the magic to set those floors free. Sand stain, baby, watch that shine come alive. With a one-day refinishing, our love will survive. Restoring wood to glory, going through the test. 500 five-star reviews. We ain't no fools. In Columbia and Waterloo, we clean the floors like jewels. Grout, they know the way, cleaning every corner, making dirt go away. Carpet and upholstery, don't you fret with AOCleaning. It's the best deal, yeah. Duct cleaning for the air, breathes better every day. Trust in the experts, they won't lead you astray. Follow us on Facebook, YouTube,